148 species in genus Mammillaria. My fascination with Mammillaria. The world of cacti has always captivated me with its incredible diversity and resilience. Among the many genera that populate this fascinating family, one stands out for its sheer variety and charm, Mammillaria. As an avid enthusiast, I, Fervoo, am constantly drawn to these miniature marvels, each one a testament to nature's artistry. Mammillaria, one of the largest genera in the Cactaceae family, boasts a staggering number of species. These cacti are predominantly native to Mexico, but their range extends to the southwestern United States, the Caribbean, and parts of South America. What unites this diverse group is their unique structure. They are typically small, globular, or cylindrical cacti covered in tubercles, small nipple-like projections from which spines emerge. This distinctive feature not only gives them their name, derived from the Latin word for nipple, but also contributes to their remarkable beauty. Diversity in miniature. The appeal of Mammillaria lies in its incredible diversity. Each species presents a unique combination of shapes, sizes, and spine arrangements. Some are solitary, growing as single stems, while others form clusters, creating intricate colonies. The spines themselves can be short and fine or long and robust, straight or hooked, and come in a spectrum of colors ranging from white and yellow to red and brown. This incredible variation makes collecting and cultivating Mammillaria a rewarding and endlessly fascinating pursuit. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I admire Mammillaria. My admiration for Mammillaria stems from several factors. First and foremost, their aesthetic appeal is undeniable. Their compact size, intricate spine arrangements, and vibrant flowers make them captivating additions to any collection. Furthermore, their resilience and adaptability are truly impressive. These cacti have evolved to thrive in harsh, arid environments, demonstrating a remarkable ability to withstand drought and intense sunlight. Finally, cultivating Mammillaria provides a sense of satisfaction and connection with nature. Their relatively easy care requirements make them accessible to both novice and experienced growers. Observing their growth, flowering, and even seed production is a rewarding experience that deepens my appreciation for the intricacies of the natural world. The importance of conservation. While Mammillaria are popular in cultivation, it's important to remember that many species face threats in their natural habitats. Habitat loss due to human activities, such as agriculture and urbanization, poses a significant risk to these cacti. Illegal collection for the horticultural trade also contributes to their decline. Therefore, it's crucial to support sustainable practices and conservation efforts to ensure the survival of these fascinating plants for generations to come. In conclusion, my fascination with Mammillaria is a testament to their unique beauty, diversity, and resilience. These miniature marvels offer a window into the wonders of the cactus family and provide endless opportunities for exploration and appreciation. As I continue to learn and grow my own collection, I am constantly reminded of the importance of preserving these natural treasures for the future.